just wake up. Hey, little sis. What's wrong? Nothing. I just wanted to wake you up before Dad's wake up. You know what? I had enough of Dad. We're running away. And if I run away, is it okay that I take you along? Of course. I love you. Huh. Thanks. So, first thing we need is food. I can probably run downstairs and sneak some snacks while Dad's still asleep. Good. I'll watch you from up here. Okay. So, where is that snack stuff? There it is. I'll just bring this upstairs really quietly. Oh, and of course I need some of this. That was a close one. So, which ones? Which ones? I'll just get all. Gotta put this in your barrel. Cart. Better. So, I better get upstairs. That was easy. That was a close one. Better get to the second story. Do you got the stuff? Yeah, it's in another room. Good, little sister. We're almost ready. So, what else do we need? Accessories and my toy. Yeah, and we'll huddle up, and I'll make a fire so we can huddle up. Oh, you're the best, sis. I'll go put these in the cart. Better. Okay, you ready to go? Yeah, but we need to get that stuff down there. I know. Oh, hey, do you know where my glasses are? Oh, yeah, just give me a second. Almost here. Hey, how come your voice sounds different? Oh, does it sound better? Much better. I'll go put this in the bin. Now, let's go. Yeah, I'll put that stuff downstairs. Okay, sister. Yeah, but we can't go out through the front door or Dad will notice. So what do you suggest we do? We go out through the window. Don't worry, we'll put the stuff out first. Which window would we use for this big pile? We could use upstairs, or we could use the one with the desk to make it easier to get up on. Well, okay, so I'll put the stuff outside before Dad notices. Okay, well actually I'll do it because I don't want you to get hurt. Okay? Okay, you need to get out first. But why? Because when I put the barrel out, the stuff might spill and I need you to clean it up. Well, am I the fastest cleaner you know? Pretty much, yeah. We don't go to school, so, and we're not allowed to go outside. So, basically, yeah, you're the only person I know besides Dad. Oh no, duck and cover. To be continued. If you enjoyed this episode, please comment, subscribe, and rate. Thank you. Gracias. And please comment, subscribe, and rate. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Puga does everything.